Hi guys and happy Monday. We are going to be moving on to chapter 3 of your math book, so please go find chapter 3. It is page 93. That is 9 tens and 3 ones. Pause this video and find chapter 3. Okay, once you have chapter 3, we are going to be turning 2 pages and our lesson is going to start on page 97. That is 9 tens and 7 ones. And our lesson is 3.1. Please make sure your page looks like mine. Pause this video and make sure that you match me. Alright guys, we're going to be continuing working with addition. And our essential question is, what happens if you change the order of the add-ins when you add? So the add-ins are the numbers that we're putting together. And if we change their order, we're going to see what happens. Now we talked about this a little bit last week. And we found that when we flipped our dominoes, it didn't matter. We're going to see if that is still the case. So when we add our numbers, we're going to see if they change. So we have a red and a blue. So make sure you grab a red and a blue. Please have your red and your blue. Okay, it says that our word problem sees 7 blue birds. So I'm going to start with my 7. And I'm going to do my quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 blue birds. And then I see 8 red birds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have my add-ins are 7 and 8. These are the two numbers that I'm adding together. So I have 7 blue birds and I have 8 red birds. We're going to see how many birds I have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So when I added these two numbers together, I got 15. So I saw a total of 15 birds. Now we're going to flip those and see if they change. So now I'm going to put my 8 reds as my first number. My 8 add-ins are going to be my first number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my 7 blue birds are going to be my second add-in. So I'm just flipping the order. Do you see here how I switched? So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to add them back up. So here we go. Here's my pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So when I'm adding, it doesn't matter which number comes first or which number comes second with my add-ins. When I'm adding, so when I'm putting numbers together, when I'm doing addition, my numbers are going to come out the same. Okay, so you ready? I'm going to rip, you're going to flip. And we should be looking at this back page right here. So we have 6 and 5. Now, if you haven't figured out how your addition number is 100% yet, you have your counters. So you should have out some counters with you. So my first number is 5. So I'm going to do 5 reds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to do 6 yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, guys, so we're going to count these and add them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 6 plus 5 equals 11. Now they want me to switch my add-in. So my 6 is going to come up top and my 5 is going to come to the bottom. So they are going to crisscross. So then I have 6 plus 5. So that would be the same as now I'm going to move my 5 under. So now my 6 is on top and my 5 are on the bottom. Did my numbers change? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. My number did not change. It doesn't matter that I flipped my add-ins. My answer is still the same. And remember, Mrs. Heinley taught us last week that our song that says, when the numbers go down, my answer goes down. So since I'm adding up and down, my answer is going to go below this line right here. And remember, this line meant equals. So that means my bottom number is going to be the same as my top two numbers. Okay, so let's do another one together. I have 8. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I need, 9 reds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alrighty, let's count these up. Here we go, my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Remember, it's very important that I keep counting. I don't start over when I get to my next color. Okay, so we're gonna flip them. Are you ready? 9 goes to the top and 8 goes to the bottom. Make your flip-flops. You have 9 plus 8. Okay, I'm gonna simply do what we just did. I'm gonna move my 8 down to the bottom because they're at the bottom. And I'm gonna double check my counting. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 9 plus 8 is the same as 17. All right, guys, I'm gonna have you try this one. I want you to set up your counters. Can you make your 6 plus 7? Show me your counters, and I'm going to check it with you in just 1 second. 1 minute. Set up your counters. All right, friends. Does yours look like this? Do you have 7 of your first color, or 6 of your first color, I'm sorry, and 7 of your second color? Because that is what my equation said right here. 6 is on top and 7 is on the bottom. So I need my 6 on top and my 7 on the bottom. So when I add those up, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep counting, friends. Check your answer. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Very good. Okay, now flip your equation. Do yours, and then you can check mine. Flipping my equation, 7 at the top, 6 on the bottom. And then I move my 6 down. So I have 7 plus 6, and that equals, write it down, friends. That's right, 13. All right, we're gonna try one more together. Are you ready? Here we go. This is the last one we're gonna try together. 7 plus 5. Set up your dots. I have 7 yellows already. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reds. So I'm going to take away 1 extra red. So my 7 plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, take a minute and do your paper. Flip it and change your counters. Alrighty, so yes, you should have moved this 5 to the top and your 7 to the bottom. And then I should have brought my 5 counters up to the top. And then I should have 5 plus 7 equals 12. 5 plus 7 equals 12, which is the same as 7 plus 5 equals 12. So these are the same exact. All right, friends, you're gonna go to your math page in your homework book. You're gonna go to page 41. You're gonna have to skip some pages. Page 41, lesson 3.1. And you have these 3 problems right here at the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please use your counters and your skills, transfer your numbers, and show us your totals. You're gonna submit this page to your teacher for homework. Good luck.